Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to day 2 of our Fluency with our news story, Coyote School News. And I have chose another passage today for At a Guest Ranch, as you can see up here, to help us continue with expression and adding tone in this week. And we're going to be looking for those clue words that the author puts in our stories to help us read with more expression and watch our tone go up when it should and down when it should, and as well as looking for our punctuation that also helps us as clues. Now remember we said that when we read with expression, it makes our story more exciting. It stresses some words with more feeling and others with less feeling to make our story more lively and more interesting. Now, let's go ahead and get started. I want you to listen and follow along as I read, and listen and see if you can't find some of these words and notice where my voice rises up and where my voice rises or goes back down. So let's go ahead and get started. Howdy, partner. That may sound corny, but it's appropriate because my family and I are at a ranch that lets people pay to stay here and see what ranch life is like. Guests are called dudes. That's what the cowhands call people from back east. Some dude ranches are just for entertaining visitors. Excuse me, dudes. Some are real cattle or sheep ranches that take in a few dudes on the side. Our ranch, the Double K, near Bozeman, Montana, is a working cattle ranch. We went with the cowhands on a roundup. It was exciting to watch. With just a touch of his spurs, a cowhand moved his horse into the herd and cut out one cow. It was hot and dusty and noisy, too. The cattle were mooing and the calves were bawling. We also rode out on a trail and camped out under the stars. Dinner from a chuck wagon, a bedroll by the campfire, and a coyote howling in the distance. I felt as if I were in a Western movie. All right, boys and girls, there you have it. That's our passage for today, read with expression. Now, if you notice, I started out with a howdy, partner, because I had that exclamation mark right there that showed that I needed to read with excitement. And then I ended that same way here with my last sentence. I felt like we were in a Western movie because we also ended with an exclamation. But there were also words in here that also helped me that the author put in. For example, when we went down here and it said, it was exciting to watch. The author was telling you right there that your voice needed to rise up and then go back down. Your tone needed to change. And also right down here, he added these adjectives. It was hot, dusty, and noisy too. Because everybody can envision what that's like. Everybody knows how hot it gets here in Alabama, and everybody knows how dusty, and everybody's been somewhere where they know it's way too noisy. So those are adjectives that your voice should have changed or used expression as you read. Okay? And then all the way back up here where we put that we paused and it says some dude ranches are just for entertaining visitors. Entertaining. We know what it's like to entertain. So our voice could change there as well. All right. So I wanted to show you these type of words. So your job is going to be for today. I want you to practice paragraph 1. Go back and look very carefully for those adjectives. Study that first, and then I want you to practice reading it with expression at least 2, 3, 4 times. And then I want you to practice and show someone in your house how well you've been doing with expression. And then I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.